Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show you how to make Arabic bread at home, pita bread at home. And I'll be using 1:2 ratio of all-purpose flour and wheat flour. Now let's see how I am making. Step 1. Prepare the dough. Now take a bowl, add water to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of yeast, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll be providing the recipe in the description box below. Now I'll stir it very well. Now I'll add 1 egg. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Okay, now let's add flour. I'm adding wheat flour now. Now I'm adding all-purpose flour. Okay, now let's stir and knead the dough. We have to knead to a sticky dough. Like so. Now you will cover and rest it. Now I'll add oil to it. We are resting it so that the gluten can form. I'm using olive oil here. Now we will knead it. You can see that it won't stick to your hand. Now let's knead it more. Okay, you can see my dough. Now let's cover it and rest it for 1 or 2 hours. You can see that my dough has doubled in size. Now let's knead again. Okay, now next step, let's roll out and bake the bread. I'm making into soft round shaped balls. You can see how am I kneading with my fingers. Making it slow here so that you can watch the process. I'm done with making balls. Now I will roll out the dough. You have to keep around 1/4 inch thickness. Now let's bake this on the pan. You can watch how it's done. When you do this way, you will get soft pita bread. Watch this process carefully. You have to do this on medium flame. And that's how it's baked. Okay, I finished baking the bread. can have this bread with hummus and chicken. I hope you all will try this recipe at home, and if you liked my video, please like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.